Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now Dwayne is playing a tape you would like to hear. Now in this tape you will hear tears of joy, happiness. Yes, in this tape you will hear happiness, just for doing something for someone and the way people are. People actually have hearts. They came out and they go above and beyond for this one person. So you need to go and listen to this tape and what was said, and it's joy just knowing that people are out there that will help other people. So just go watch the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. God bless you.
Some things are better left unsaid. I don't want to insert myself into anything pertaining to do with any of this, because I don't want to feel like me lean pan about this. I want me def my one side, me def my own side and God's side. That is it. That is it. Sonia, girl, I'll have that. I'll have that. Thank you. Thank you, Sonia. Thank you.
And my life, I remember that photo shoot. Andre.
Ambassador. Tell you that.
Yes, Andre. Good night.
Yes, I have to give your official title. Ambassador Donna Marico.
Oh, thank you, Andre. Thank you so much. I was just saying.
Yeah, that I accept our title, same girl. People not tell like me would I take it home. If they give me position, me I take it. Me I take that backside. Me I take it. If they give it, me I take it. So me don't believe I take it, girl. Take it. And Dana, anything they give, take it to here. Take it to here. And that be the door say. So me just say it out and done. Take it to here. I eat that. I'm shut my mouth now. I'm hear what your chat boss say.
And my life, I remember that photo shoot. You spent so much money. You spent so much money. People, that man have with you from in the early morning till night. Him provide lunch, juice, water. And at the same day, he went with the PMP, what the PMP lady name?
Miss Brownberg and Miss Bailey for the feed the people, the children.
Yes, and Andre was doing the photo shoot, and him leave the photo shoot with Andrea Brownberg for go feed the homeless and that. There, I say, Andre, but your photo shoot. And he said, I go to the children hospital. He invited me to come with him, and I say, Andre, like all the people them are going to do my makeup, my office steer. That man spent so much money on that shoot. The clothes, the shoes, the makeup, the models. They were, remember the queen thing, and it broke Andre heart when he called me and he said I walked away, and there was that him say another manager, or supervisor at the time walked away, and a lot of persons who knew about it messaged me and said, Auntie Dana, don't worry, God is not sleeping. Never you discriminate. That not in a Adam book, none at all. That not in a none of the.
Tana, make me hear what you say, look, why you that part are good. I could go back one little tops. We go back here, that's what's one little tops.
That him say another manager, or supervisor at the time walked away, and a lot of persons who knew about it messaged me and said, Auntie Dana, don't worry, God is not sleeping. Never you discriminate. That.
You hear that part there? Alright, but this is why you hear that part there. We'll go back further.
In the Adam book, none at all. That not in a none of the Stuart's book. Let me tell you, you see that family, them treat down to the dog, the walk, and the cat. Good. No care what Adam a do. Him always have him phone. And him a walk a come up, and him fire come near him. Hi, how you doing? You alright? And him gone. How is your day going? Him always asks you. The whole family and them no prejudice. The company have a policy book, a book where every staff supposed to read and go by the rules. If they are sandals, if they are ATL, and if they are observer, and if they are guards through. You cannot. That are the company with the payroll. You cannot. And no manager there. I'm work with every top manager. When it will serve that hotel. Me serve them water. Christine, Pat, Nicole. We serve them and them deal. When Mr. Stewart meeting a keep, Miss Arlene Linda say make sure my staff them, my office attendant them get them lunch. Make sure when me
Chantel Linda, you see what I say Linda, come here. One Linda call no Chantel. You sure say you don't relate to the Linda, yeah, girl? Yeah, spy? Yeah, spy for me? Oh.
then us dead. Anything I set out, she said, "Uno go take out for Uno one first, and Uno do the work." I will carry that company flag till my grave. Adam, Mr. Stewart, the whole.
I asked the ball and start me think, well on there, ads are play 99, pause 99, I'm watching your ads, girl. I'm watching your ads because more I say, me don't bad man, I'm watching your ads so you can get your money. Yeah. So I just saw the things that support. Even though you don't support me, more support you and watch what you're seeing to them and watch your ads them too.
In every company.
Such a wonderful feeling, to hear this story and how one person can help to change another person's life. This person needed the help and the help was given. Thank God. Now, thank God for Auntie Donna. She's been helping people over and over and over again. And just to hear what she has to say brings so much joy. Just continue listening to the message. And
Have the good and you have the bad. In every company.
When you do today, melt my heart, because me see the young man reach out to me and me say me not gonna put him on my platform Friday. But me glad Auntie Dana you set the record today. 20,760 USD.
No, it's Canadian. It's 21,700 at Canadian and climbing. Plus bank. Every Jamaican, some $500, some $250. Plus persons on the outside. Tommy Fear collected 600 and something pound. Jamrock goodies collected 400 and something US, and it is climbing. I had to tell persons since evening that we reached the quotation, we reached the target, and his auntie in Canada is collecting via energy app. Some energy, I don't remember what kind of energy.
It can't go fun, Dana. Our energy app coming there. I love you too, girl. Thank you. I love you too.
Yes. And they are going to do a tally and let us know. It is 22,000 at Canadian now.
I said people reach out to me and tell me say them I give the people their money and them and them say they never dogging on, but them get to backside. So it was a good thing. But me chat too much. Sorry, me chat too much.
First in each other. That is why my topic tonight is social media is powerful. Andrea, thank you so much for the first time I meet Andrea come out from the veranda and hear about me and him come. And him say, I see greatness. Him say, I want you to the next Miss Lou. And I interject and I say, no, I won't be Miss Lou. I will be Dana Go. And him say, I have a vision feel. I sit down and I watch you. That. And this man, every time he buy a material, him come here, come show it to me and measure. At the time, it break my heart and I couldn't come out and talk. Because at the time, you said to me, say, just hold it down. And other persons in the group, it's 22,333,000 Canadian. He came here with 4,000 on it.
333.
Yes.
What about Auntie Dana? Them couldn't do that fast for them platform.
Andre, could you? my question to Andre, Sir Stevens, could you do in your platform? Next time something comes up like this, I want to see you take up the mantle and I could see what your platform, remember you pull out 7,000, you pull out, I could see what your platform can do next year. I want to see it.
I'm a close charity, and I'm not even I do charity. That is why I said I will use the platform today to highlight this young man so he could get it. Because 2 persons sent it to me, and I talked to 1 person and she convict me. One of my friend at 8 years, she said, Donna, I don't want you to cuss me, you know. I know so you're done with charity, but this I want you to watch it.